Today, we will be testing the Profitunity Beginner Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Profitunity Beginner Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 811 indicators, with 329 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 22 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. All right, so today's indicator is the Profitunity Beginner Indicator. And you can kind of see it here on screen. So basically what we have are these labels here. So you can see that we have these red strong short signals, and we have these green strong long signals. And the green and red little arrows that accompany them. I did go in and turn off the bar coloration. So bar coloration here was on, and you can see that it then kind of changes the bar color, different shades of green and red. And so like I said, I did go in and turn those off. Now, according to the indicators page, is that these labels here are basically all we are looking for to take signals from. And so this indicator, and again, you can go to the indicators page and you can read up on it more. But basically there is a set criteria of candles and such that come together to form a specific pattern that then gives us the strong signals, the strong long and strong short signals. And so instead of us having to identify those ourselves, again, the labels here identify those for us. So once all the criteria is met, then it does fire off these signals here. So that being said, what we are looking for obviously is going to be these signals here. So when we get a strong long signal, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get the strong short signal, then we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal right here. Again, we get that strong short in red there label. And on the very next candle, we get a decent push to the downside there. That is enough to come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is also another short signal. You can see that we get that strong short right there. And we get a little bit of indecision here as we kind of come down, push up, and then back down, and kind of back up. And then we finally get that push to the downside that we're looking for. And that does come down and get us to our take profit as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal is going to be a long signal. We pick up that strong, long green signal right here. And you can see that we immediately start to get a really nice push to the upside there. That does come up and get us to our take profit. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up another short signal right here, and you can see that we get a little bit of indecision here, kind of start to go down, up, we wick out right here, back down, kind of break even right there on that kind of pin bar looking candle right there. But then into the next week, you can see that we get a really bad gap up there, and that one is going to come up and stop us out, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is a free server. We do have a lot of channels here that you are welcome to join. Take part of the conversations in most of these channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons. Take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. So for example, one of our admins or one of our members here, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader. He is putting up charts like this where he is doing Forex market analysis, posting some really great charts that have areas of support and resistance and areas of interest kind of marked out, and it's kind of showing what it is that he's looking at and giving nice examples of where you can look for trade opportunities. This is one of our other members here, does a great job as well, putting up charts where he has done Forex market analysis. Our admin Jay, don't see a chart from him right offhand, but he is recently been trading the Forex market, getting back into the Forex market. He's also trading the futures market, doing a great job of also putting up charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and trades that he is looking to take. And so all in all, just a wonderful environment to be a part of. Everybody's kind of helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of supporting everybody and doing their best to help everyone along and motivate and bounce ideas and yeah, just in general help everybody along. And so a wonderful environment. Highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, let's get it zoomed back here a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have 11 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. All in all, seemed like a pretty solid indicator. Gave us 9 trades within the 1 year's time. That's not a huge amount of trades, but not so little that we barely get any trades within the 1 year's time. And so 9 trades is a reasonably decent number of trades within the 1 year's time, and it did so pretty accurately, and so can't complain too much about the accuracy that it was able to pull out. And so all in all, like I said, a solid indicator. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.